Hello everyone, I am Bindu Nair, a mentor with Popcorn. Here I will be briefing you about the Senior KG kit. In this kit there are 10 books and these books will help you develop literacy skills, numeracy skills, critical thinking skills, reading skills, writing skills and co-scholastic skills. In the coming year, academic year, we do not know if the schools will function online or offline. So we have enriched this kit with very unique digital solutions. We have integrated our physical books with hybrid digital solutions. For young learners, we have topic-wise videos which can be accessed at home as well as at school on a simple mobile. For parents, we have Parent Pathology, which has videos for each and every page in the book in very simple Hindi English language. It has been explained in a very simple way. So it will make teaching easy for the parent and learning fun for students. Then for teachers, we have day-wise planner. All the books in the kit have been included in this 150 days program. The whole flow of the curriculum has been set and divided into 150 days, and it has been enriched with audios of the rhymes. If you do not know how to say the rhyme or how to recite it, we have audios for it. You can listen and learn it. Then we have videos of the stories, links of the stories, as well as activities, which is a very important recommendation by our new educational policy. Each and for every topic we have given hands-on activities and assessment. So the teacher does not need to waste her time in planning. She can just focus on teaching and enriching. And for that we have a common communication platform where a teacher or the management can get in touch with the parents. If a teacher wants to share her own videos or class photos or materials, she can simply do it on her mobile phone, through her mobile phone. She can send individual messages to a parent. She can send group messages or a message for the entire school. And these messages can be monitored by the management. So I think this is one of the ultimate solution any preschool can think of or any kid can provide. So I look forward to have you over on this endeavor to make teaching easy and learning fun.